No, wait, I'm doing that. Can you guys see my screen? So yeah. So this is an intro for beginners. Now, what is a CTF? Like, it's capture the flag. It's a cybersecurity game kind of thing. Have you ever played an online treasure hunt or anything? Anyone answer, please? Yeah, like you have clues and you have to find the solution. Ever? Yeah, something like that maybe. So CTF is kind of like that, but a more technical version. You should know coding and stuff to do CTF. Okay, so people do it for exercise. It's a good practice for doing CTF and all. And well, you have pretty good rewards if you get good at it. Okay, so there are two kinds of CTF. There's a Jeopardy style and there's the attack and defense style. Okay, Jeopardy style is for beginners and intermediate people. And when you start learning how to hack machines as in operating systems. So you have virtual OSs, and then then you participate in the attack and defense one. Jeopardy style, you have different categories. Okay, like you have this forensics, web, miscellaneous, reverse, pawnable crypto, all these categories. And people normally choose their domain. Like someone is good at cryptography or someone is good at forensics, and they make a team and participate. So like if it's a 24-hour CTF, the problems will be open for like 24 hours. And sometimes you have a decay factor. Like if many people have solved a particular problem, the value of that question will decrease. Okay, while in attack defense, suppose you have team A and team B. Team A has like four people, same with B. Now you both have your own machines. Now part of your team has to defend the machine while the other one has to attack slash raid them, and the same has to be done with by team B. Whoever is better at it will win. Like this, you mentioned hack the box. No? So the most of the events hack the box has are these kind of like attack and defense or battlegrounds they have. Then we'll talk about these in detail, like what they are. So first we have reverse engineering or binary exploitation. Like, okay, so you write a code in Python, you compile it and run it. Okay, so what if they give you a file and like you have to find something? So what you do is you retrace your steps. You go back to the basic thing, the assembly part. You can like view the hex dump and all to get the flag you need. Then this is like good for if you're going to go in malware research and all, you should like study reverse engineering and binary exploitation. Okay. Then we have pawnable. Pawnable is like there are certain rules you should there are for coding. Like what was it? To avoid buffering or this is you should not use break in your code. It's bad habit. So there's a particular reason for it because it makes your code vulnerable. Okay. So in pawnable, the codes are made like purposely vulnerable, so you can see and get the flag out of them. So if you're gonna go for secure programming or like pen testing or exploit development, you should like do pawnable. Then we have cryptography. Cryptography, so you know what it is, like solving ciphers and stuff. But in cryptography, people think it's pretty easy. It's not. You should know the math behind it. Like every cipher which has been made has some math or the formulas behind them. So yeah, you should study that before like just like going into it and using online tools like me. It's very bad habit. Okay. Then we have web-based exploits. So in web-based exploits, normally the challenges are like you get a login page and you don't know who the user or the password is. So what do? You have the most basic thing, you inspect the page or go to the page source. But then that doesn't happen. What do you do? Then you check you play around with the SQL database. Okay. So you modify the data there. That's all. Like web is also very, what do you say? it can be exploited. So if you want to have a job in like application security or web-based pen testing, you should go for it. And then there are bug bounties. So like you have these companies like Instagram and all. These always have some bugs and all going because all the updates there are like recently Insta had a bug na related to the reels or stuff. So if you are able to get that bug and inform them, they will pay you handsomely if it's correct. Then we have forensics or steganography. Now, suppose you have an image, a normal image of yours, and you want to send some secret message to your friend, but not let anyone know about it. So you can hide that text in your image. Similarly, there is this normal audio, a song or something. You can like hide Morse code audio bits in it. So the your friend will analyze the audiograph and he'll calculate the whatever the message is from the most bits. Okay. Then you have OSINT. OSINT is like we all have our digital footprints. Your Instagram, your LinkedIn, your Facebook, everything. So anything can be traced back to you. So that is OSINT. So someone will say on Elon Musk's fourth pic there is this. So this is a proper treasure hunt kind of thing. So you go to that pic, suppose it's of some satellite. Then you read about that satellite. There would be some hint that will lead you to another thing until you reach the flag where the organizers have hidden. Okay. Uh, now, so like, how do you know when a new CTF is like going on or where to participate? Okay. Can you guys hear me now? Yeah, yeah. So there's this site ctftime.org. I would actually suggest you guys make your ID there, and like if you have your friends and all, you should make a team. Okay, so here in like upcoming, it shows you like wait a second, yeah, all the CTFs which are gonna happen. So whenever you are free, like I guess like Saturday or Sunday or on one weekend, you should just participate just for practice. Don't focus on winning or everything because you don't know that much. So make a team with your friends if you want to. It's simpler. Like you all can be on a group chat and discuss while solving the challenges. And Pico CTF is a very beginner level. So yeah, you should do this. Wait, I'll show you Pico CTF. Yeah, here are the questions. I'll do some questions for you guys. So just wait a minute. I want to go into detail about the we have of the domains we have. So in reversing, can you guys see it? Like, is it visible? Yeah, okay. So, uh, we have the C language. C language is like, you have to write everything, unlike Python or C++, where you have all standard libraries and all. Then there is assembly language. Okay. So, the binary analysis you do of a file, like you can view it in hexa or binary and all that. So there are disassemblers. Like the compiler assembles your code. Similarly, there are disassemblers. EDA, Ghidra, and binutils are one. I use EDA. Like it's kind of like this. No, 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 don't look at it right now. Okay. Yeah. And then in dynamic, have you heard of GDB? Like they must be using it in the class. Hello. Hello. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What was the poll for? Maybe I forgot. The GNU project debugger. So it can break down your file into components and you can properly view like which instruction is at which address. So you can manipulate it. Like if there's a loop going on and you want to start before a certain value it reaches, you can add an breakpoint there. And you can like add an external piece of code you wrote there and see what happens if you do that. Okay. Beyond this is pretty high level. Then we go to pawning. Okay, I told you about the bad habits in coding, na? Like, so, what happens when you must have had seen like segmentation, code dump or something like that. So stack overflow, buffer overflow, it's like when you go beyond the memory you have allocated and all. So you can play with it. Like, I'll give you an example of a challenge. Suppose it says that input a 4 bytes number. Okay. So how will you get it to give you the wrong output? You will put some 18 bytes number. Okay. Just put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just go on. Okay. And at that point there will be a buffer overflow and it might give you the flag. This is a very basic challenge. It's not in everyone it will work. Then integer overflow is like you have a set limit for everything now, like for int, long, and char and everything. So if you go beyond the limit you have this integer overflow. And format string vulnerability is if the user, like us, the participants, we are able to change the data, like the strings, then that is the vulnerability. You can exploit all these to get your codes. Okay, I'll share this BIOS wiki with you. Like, BIOS is a team, the Amrita Vidyapeetham College team. I think they are currently top in India. Yeah, then we have forensics or steganography one. So in forensics, you have like you can have network or the audio or image or okay, or memory forensics also. I told you how can hide a text in an image. Sometimes you can hide like full folders, like a recurring directory, which has like some 100 folders, and those 100 have another 100 in them. So these all, and how do you like check this? So for the strings one, the one of the basic commands is strings and the file.jpg support. I guess they have taught you this or not. Hello? You guys go silent, like, are you even listening? Yeah, no, I was asking like, so if you have an image and there's a text hidden in it, one of the most basic commands is strings and apple.png support. So you get all the strings which could be possibly be hidden in it. So I was asking, have they taught you this guy, like this command? Oh, okay, cool, cool. No worry. Then suppose you have to, yes, yes. Have you guys installed a virtual system, any like Kali or Parrot or anything? Yeah, good. Also, whenever you do any CTF and all, I would suggest just like limit it to that. Don't use it on your like host OS, okay? Because you got to change your system settings a lot. So if you tinker with your host OS, something can happen. That's why. Uh, then there are different tools like there's binwalk and exif2. These have to extract those recurring repositories I told you about. Okay, and in network forensics, you know now how you exchange messages and all on the internet. It's all in form of packets. Okay, so if you want to hide a message, you can hide it in the packet. We have this tool Wireshark for it. This, yeah, you can use that to analyze the packets and all, like what is it sending and all. Steganography, that only. There are like cryptography is a very vast field. Like you have lots of cryptographic ciphers and stuff. So I won't go into depth about this. There will be a proper class for cryptography. Then the web, how do you define them? Like suppose see the main two types is like Python and web basics. Have you done bandits? Yeah. So in bandits you had to go to the server and stuff. Now like connect, yes, 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 that's it. And web basics is basically the login one I told you. You see all them when I do it on the Pico CTF thing. Then basics of burp suit is a device. Where the hell is it? Do you see burp suit anywhere? I think I uninstalled it. Okay, never mind. So Burp Suite lets you analyze the background details of a website. Okay, the cookies or where is it from, what language encoding does it have, and everything. So you can manipulate them and like you can run them as a like not on the website like the official one. You freeze it and you do it. So it does not tinker with the original one. It's for you. And the PHP SQL thingy, like tinkering with the database to get the login password, suppose. Have you guys done the Netash over the wire? Till it, you do it till 15, I guess, whenever you're free. Or if you have a class on that further, then I'll give it to you as proper homework. Yes, yes. Uh, yeah. See, you guys already know a lot of stuff. You're like, oh, we don't know. So I guess this is enough for the. I have no clue about the hardware part because I do not do that. Okay, let's do some questions on Pico CTF. Where am I? Reverse engineering you want to do? See, for reverse engineering, I would suggest that you study it a bit because it's yeah, because it's you cannot just dive into it and expect to do it. Even I stay away from reverse engineering. I do not like it at all. Right. Yeah, so we have you already did Pico CTF. Why are you even attending? You should go to sleep. Swear to God. Like, if you have time, don't attend the classes you actually know. Okay, do the assignment, but you can use this time to like study something on your own. Okay, I was telling, yeah. So now I was telling about disassembling a code. This, so what is it written? Uh, each door. This is. You will need to read the source code for each level to figure out the password. Okay. Uh, there was another one. Okay, never mind. Uh, by the way, instead of this, you can also do a hex view or hex dump if you know what I mean. So when you do a hex dump, all the like strings are like this. Okay, so let's see if there's something, anything we can get proper. Enter PT, Pico CTF length, no. Password is below, no. Okay, here it is. This thing, if you can see, warming up with Java, EEC, etc., etc. Okay, so you have the format. You always have to put it in this format. I've already tried this one. So yeah, you just copy paste it, okay, and you submit it. Oh my god, wait, okay, yeah. You have any doubts, please ask me, like anything. Okay, so you'll see the next question. What is 0x3D base 16 in decimal base 10? So this is the format for hexadecimal, I guess, you know. Yes. So can you guys solve it? Or should I do it? Don't say you do it, please. This is very easy. You guys can do it. Yeah, just Google it like hexadecimal to decimal converter or something. How many of you are gonna try this right now? Like who's doing it? Tell me. Good boy. You get brownie points. I speak too fast. This class was supposed to be like 1 hour long. 61. Let's see. Wait. Oh, correct. Who answered that? Yes, this. Ah, it's fine, it's fine. The numbers, what do they mean? Okay, we will see this one. See, I am saying this again, but do not do all this on your host OS. Okay, I am lazy, that's why I'm doing it. But I would suggest please do not do it. Okay, do you see something like what do you think this could be? Any guesses? Correct. So, like, would you like to do this or should I say I will do this? See, I'll send. Should I send this image in the group or is it fine here? Yeah, sure. Wait, I'll type the numbers for you guys. Yes. Mm. Wait. I'll send the numbers to you guys. Just like get what the flag must be. Where it is. Okay. Beyond that, that is obvious. See, I'll tell you it. Anything outside the brackets is always the format. So don't waste time on this, okay? Like you can do it. It's the position of the alphabets. Yes. Okay. You should like try to find tools for this stuff. Here. Oh fuck. Sorry. Oh my god. So you have a convert numbers to letters. Everything is online if you are too lazy to do it yourself. Pick a CTF, then pen numbers listen. Oh my god. Did I repeat any letter? Where did it go? 16, 9, 3, 15, 3, 26, 20. Okay, I'm so sorry. 1, 19, 15, 14. Okay. The letter is 2, 20, 8, and 5. Yeah, it was an error on my part. I'm so sorry about that. The numbers Mason. Okay, that was the yeah. What is it? Oh, the flag and the format is everything capital. Yeah, everything was capital. Yeah, yeah. It happens sometimes. Okay, we'll see the next question. It's the forensics one. Okay. Mm. Yeah, correct. The garden contains more than it seems. What's the garden? Oh my God, the net is so bad at hostels. We'll see next question till it downloads. Can you convert the number 42 base 10 to bind? Okay, you guys did just a few minutes ago. Let's leave that. Inspector. Kishore Balan tipped us off that following code may need inspection. This is under web exploitation. Okay, we'll see what this is. What? Okay, inspect me it says in the beginning only. So we'll see the inspect. No, wait. Yeah, wait. Here are some files. Okay. JavaScript shows neat. Anyway, okay. We have third part of the flag. So we got to find the first and the second one too. Okay, what is this? You need CSS to make pretty pages. Okay, this is the second part. I'm going in reverse. Oh my god. There is nothing in this file. No, wait. HTML is neat. Okay, this is the first part. So we have the full part, the full flag. You guys understood what I did. There was nothing in this. Like it just said inspect, so it was a clear direction to you should open the inspect thingy. Yeah, okay, this is downloaded the garden one. Okay. Do you see any text or anything in this image? Like sometimes they write it very small, but I'll send the image also in the group. I do not seem to see anything. See, sometimes you can tinker with the, what do you say, the contrast and brightness for that stuff. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Like, I don't think there is anything here. We'll do the strings thing I was telling you about, okay? Can you see the terminal properly? Hello. Yeah, here is it. Okay. So the strings command gives you the all the strings which might be there in this image. Okay, you see this all this gibberish. It's all hidden in this image. Okay, flag is here. Just copy paste it. What was it? The glory of garden. Where's the netcat? Okay, do you know what netcat is? Oh, oh, okay. Would you like to try this question? Whoever is doing with the laptops, I would really like them to try this question, please. I'll give you like 2 or 3 minutes, I guess. Now, what's the flag? Yeah, yeah. Can you explain to people how you did it? They might take some inspiration from you and start doing it too. Yeah, sure. So, see, what he did was he started the netcat. The jupyter.challenges.picoctf.org is the source or destination, I don't remember. And 64287 is the port. It's all given in this challenge. Where it is. Where is it? Here it is. Hi. So we connected to this at port this and we got the flag. That's it. That's what he did. Is this enough or should I do more questions for you guys? You want me to do more questions? Hello. Yeah. What was this? The one-time pad can be cryptographically secure, if not when you know the key. It is all this. What is it? Okay. We have a table UF, JK, ZQ, ZQ. Okay. So I think. Okay, what do you guys think we should do with these two keys and this table of ABCDXYZ? Like U and F, you match U here and F here. Sorry, U and S. Yes. Yes, correct. That's what you're gonna do. I'm not gonna do this because it's literally brute forcing hard work. You can write a code on this if you want. Okay. ROT13 is a kind of ciphertext. Okay. There's this website for ROT13 only. Real hard to track. See, if you have any doubt, like any doubt, you can DM me. What are you not understanding, Jojo's bro? Didn't get in again. Where didn't get in? What is he referring to? It's fine. It's fine. The video recording will be uploaded. Chill. You can watch that also. See, you just go to the rot13.com and it will convert it to you. This because CTF is literally for absolute beginners. Okay, you guys can easily do 10 questions. Where are the robots? Okay, you guys know what's a robots.txt file? Hello. You have the information about the page, which is allowed to be shared. Something. Okay. So where are the robots? If they're yeah, I ain't going out on. Okay, so if it's written robots, it's obviously referring to that only. So we'll go to that robots.txt file. Disallow this. Okay, why are you disallowing it? I'll go check this. That's why it was disallowing. We have the flag. We got him, boys. Yeah, done. Void door one. Yes, there are some challenges like that, but mostly you work with PHP because you in like websites the HTML, CSS, PHP. PHP was the one which used the code, the coding thingy, coding logics. No, it's not really the background. It's the mostly the things are for logging in. Like suppose yeah, yeah. Like sometimes the users are not allowed to log in, but the admin is. How do you give access to the user? So you have to go make some changes, make yourself the admin, and then let the user in and get the flag, something like that. Website can be rendered only by Pico browser. My new website, okay, flag. You're not Pico browser, Mozilla. Okay, I'm giving this to you guys. Tell me what could like go Google it and tell me something. Give me a word. I guess maybe. I do not have Worksuit right now, so I'm not gonna open my virtual software right now. Anyone get anything? The first word, anything. Hello, I cannot hear you. Can you type it out, please? For what? Yeah, you have to change the browser name, but it's not like you cannot directly change the browser name, I guess. You have to change the user agent. See, user agent, OS version software, etc., etc. There are web extensions for that stuff. Agents, picture, and Chrome extension. See, the post and get thingy, those are for requests. We are not making any requests. Yeah. Uh, I'll have to add this to Chrome. I don't want to. Okay, so see what you'll do is you add this extension to Chrome. Then you will paste that. What was it? I guess what this thingy. It will show you the Pico browser as an option or something. Maybe I should try it. Oh, wait. Why does it not have an option for adding the extension? Okay, I'll get back to you on this question. But the thing is, you have to change the user agent. It will make your browser go from whatever, like Chrome or DuckDuckGo, anything you're using, to the Pico browser one. And the flag, it is saying, wait, and then you press this again, it will give you the flag. I think that's enough for today.